What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how an outlet works. So, we got here an outlet. And again, if you didn't see my other video about a switch, only touch these toggles if it's energized. Because those terminals, as you can see, if you touch them, you will get shocked. I'm not going to try it out right now, but trust. By the way, guys, I mentioned this in my other video, but I graduated from a technical college of 3 years. I got my associate's degree in electrical construction, so I'm knowledgeable, I'm a professional, so don't worry and do not try this at home unless you have a license. And unless you're careful. Safety. Safety is number one priority, right? So we got here. This is an outlet that isn't tapped off going to another one. So this is just like the line. This doesn't go to another outlet because there's only one, strand of wire coming through. That's a 14-2 wire. And this is most likely coming from this panel. So it's most likely a home run, which means it's coming directly from the panel. So you see this black wire, that is an ungrounded wire. It could be connected just like that through a hole and it's firmly in there, or it could be wrapped around this terminal or this terminal, doesn't matter. And how you can tell apart the ungrounded and grounded is the colors. So the white one is the grounded, the black one is the ungrounded. So the black one is hot, and you can see here this, one second, this line, right, this eye or whatever socket is shorter than this one. So the longer one is always the grounded and the shorter one is the ungrounded, which is hot. And this one you see here is the grounding, which is this right here with the green screw. So basically, if you didn't watch my other video, this grounding, you could touch it, you're not gonna get shocked. This is basically the safety, so there wouldn't, this wouldn't like shock you. So if there's like a nick or one of the hot is touching like a metal or something, so it wouldn't just keep on shocking and it would just trip the breaker, or it probably wouldn't even trip the breaker. So yeah, it's very simple, very neat, it takes legit like a minute to install. And someone whoever installed this did not put that in all the way, which is incorrect. Something, if I don't know, this gets caught up, it could if you shove it like that, or I don't know, something happens and this copper touches that copper or something happens, then this is not going to work. So yeah, this is also a 15 amp outlet, and that's pretty much how an outlet works. So that'll be everything, and next video I'm going to show you how this works. This is a GFCI tester, outlet tester. So